just smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is partnered with Hergivenhair, and we're going to be installing these clip-ins. This is how the clip-ins looked when they came in the package, and as you will see, I will be washing them first. So I used some shampoo and conditioner and washed them, and this was after they were washed, and I'm just going to dry them and then we'll see. So after I washed them, this was the curl pattern. I was trying to bring back like the natural curl pattern and remove the smell from like the factory type of hair smell. So yeah, all right, let's talk details. These clip-ins are called the Glam full headset coily textured clip-ins. I got them in the natural hair color because my hair is not actually black, it's like a natural color. And with the upgraded set, the Glam set, the whole bundle set comes in 10, so there are 10 pieces all in all, which is like enough for the whole head, because I was actually left with 5 clip thingies, which is like a lot. The clip-ins are 18 inches. Okay, so for today's hairstyle, what I decided to do was do a half up, half down hairstyle with a middle part. So right now I'm separating the half up, half down, and with the down part I'm going to be plaiting them into twists. Okay, once they're in twists, I just tuck it into the twist. So what I'm gonna do is take the hair and separate it. I even brushed it a little bit because my hair is very puffy, like it doesn't have a curl pattern or anything. So I'm just trying to get all the curly bits out. I start with the smallest one at the back. So this is what I was looking for, and then you just like press on that like so, and it's in, and like it's not gonna go anywhere, it's not gonna move or anything. So I'm attaching it onto my braid. Okay, so the hair is from Hergivenhair. Inside the dust bag, a bag that has thank you card, and it also has the instructions on how to take care of the hair, what to do when you first get the hair, and so on. And you get the extra clips in case you need them, and then you also get a card explaining what type of hair you got and so forth. I'm just going to continue clipping in the clip-ins from smallest to biggest all the way throughout the bottom, and then I'm gonna leave 2 clip-ins which have 2 clips on them. Okay, now I'm leaving a section out so that there's a leave out to cover the clip-in rail so that you don't see it, so that you think it's my hair. Duh. I love how the clip-ins match my hair texture. Like, that's so beautiful. Can you see? You can't see the difference, love. Okay, so I want to do a zigzag parting. I'm very bad with lines, so I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm gonna do it anyway because we're ambitious. So I did a zigzag parting, and this is just me trying to make it straight, trying to figure out exactly how to do it. But yeah, I don't have edge control, so I'm using some gel to slick out my hair so that it looks neat. Okay, for this section I'm just going to flat twist the hair back into a neat flat twist. I did not know what I was doing, but we persevere and we push through and we make it work. So using a hair tie, I'm just going to tie it into a little bun, like the ends. And then for the other side, I'm just putting on some gel as well to stick it down. And then I'm just going to tie it. I'm not going to flat twist it or anything. I'm just using a hot brush to make sure that it's nice and slick. Now I'm going to use the clip-ins that I left over, the two that I left out on purpose, to make some space buns in the front. Same routine, just tuck it into the hair, clip it in. You'll feel the clip, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Wrap it around and clip it in. And we do the same to the other side. And we did it. We have some cute space buns in the front, and then I'm just puffing out the back. Pretty puff, period. Okay, now I'm just fixing up my edges. For my edges, I use Sunlight Liquid Bar. Not liquid, Sunlight Bar. So I just use Sunlight Bar because that's the only thing that works and makes them look the way that they look. So yeah, I'm just fixing that up. Yeah, I'm adding in some jewels for some pizzazz, but I actually do like the way it is already, but the jewels like add some spice, some norox, you know, so that's what I'm doing. And this is the final look. This is how it looks. It's giving I'm a wife. Look at the back, looks so puffy and nice. Thank you so much to Hergivenhair for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, sweetie. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Please.